Bill Deber, and I am playing Plant Shop, playing another demo. Hopefully, this demo gives me something, not like other demos that's just one scare or like just shows the mechanics. I would like a bit, like, a little bit of tease, reel in the horror. Alright, today is the day I've been waiting for so long. All these years saving up, and these moments of preparing everything. And I'm finally opening my own plant shop. Ah, ooh. Alright, it's these kinds of graphics. Gotcha. Grand opening. And I saw in the menu there was a endless mode. What is this going to be, huh? I forgot the keys on the core. Guess it's just the nerves from the first day. Yeah, gotta be nervous with the grand opening and all. Don't know anything about doing selling plants. Alright, I can't close that. Alright. Prepare. How do I prepare? Hold C to zoom in. Why do I need to zoom in? See. Okay, there's cameras. Like Five Nights, maybe. Yellow. Hi there. This is Rosa, the building landlord. Oh, it's Rosa. I heard you start a business today. I just want to wish you good luck on your first day. Also, I forgot to mention something the day you rented the place. The room at the back of the building is blocked. The last renter changed the lock and he's not answering my call. Call me if you need anything. Bye-bye. Kinda like the animation of the phone thingy. Okay. Alright, first customer. Yellow. Okay, how does the mechanics of the planting thing work? How are things? So, this is a new plant store. I'm looking for some flowers to put in my office. I want a vase with 2 blue flowers, please. Okay, a vase, a vase. 2 blue flowers. Where do I get the blue flowers? Where do I? Is it? Oh. 2 blue flowers. Put water. Now there you go. That's better. That's way better. Because some of these demos I played, that's horrible with their freaking instructions and how much things you need to put. Okay. Thanks. I just was looking for. I'm sure I'll come back another day. See you next time. Here's a gratitude for being so quick. 5 pounds? Those are pounds, right? I don't know. Or euros. Okay. Listen carefully to what the client says and don't mess up the order. Yeah, okay. Slow guy. Yellow, Mr. Yellow Hat. Oh, so you're the new girl. Okay, we're a girl. At your age, I was already picking potatoes in my father's field. Now I have my own field and dedicate myself to gardening. Gave my vase with a blue flower and a white one. Okay, blue flower and a white one. Gotcha. Right? Blue flower and a white one. Water. Okay. There we go. Oh, my wife loves flowers. You seem like a nice girl. Take this. These are freshly grown seeds from my field. Don't tell anyone, but they have a secret that makes them grow very fast. Hee hee. Thank you, Yellow Hat. Okay. What's that all about? Now I can craft plants here. Okay. Also wrote the new recipes here. Okay. Really interesting. A bit dark. Okay. So how does this work? Yellow. This is Rosa again. I just remembered I installed a new Wi-Fi in the building. You should be able to use the computer buy stuff online. That's all. Bye. Cool. Buy stuff online. Red flower. Golden watering can. Waters plants 400 times faster. Up. Customer. Yellow. Ah, plant store. What a load of rubbish. Okay. Sorry, woman. I am a company director, and in my free time, I invest in stock markets. Cool. I don't waste my time doing crafts with plants. Come on, I feel sorry for you. Give me one of those Calathea plants, but not those cheesy flowers, okay? Okay, how do we do this? Okay, soil. Do I just... Whoop. Oh, amazing! I'm poison ivy. I would done it faster. On top of being a hippie, you're slow. Ha ha ha. And I hope you get ketchuped. Woman. Alright. Oh. Did I just saw the guy from Elden Ring? Alright, what's going on with the lights? I guess it's a storm outside. Should go check the electricity switch. I guess it's outside, behind. It's behind, isn't it? Oh, okay. Well, I think we're nearing the end of this demo. And I'm pretty sure that... Oop, there is the switch right there. Please, let me close this. Oh! Pretty good. 7. The 7. Oh, okay. I thought it was a hiding spot. Okay. What was that? Oh. It's him. Okay. I feel like my screen's dying. Hello. Yo, chat. Can I have a triple cheeseburger with extra large fries, chat? Chat, where are you? You talk. Excuse me, but we don't serve food. They don't have food. We are cooked, chat. I don't know how to do queso. Sorry. If you ever see me queso, I'm sorry. Will give me 5 pots with soil then. It's for my plants. 5 pots with soil? Okay. I don't know how that works. What are you gonna do with... Alright, whatever, queso. Oh. 5 pots with soil. Yo, that's is legit, man. We got it, chat. Let's go. Here's a gratuity for being so quick. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, is he eating the soil? What a man. What a majestic man. Oh, he's gone now. At least we know when he's gone. Alright. Hello. Hello. Hello, red shirt. Hey, beautiful. Haven't seen you around here. They say this street is dangerous at night. If you were with me, you wouldn't have worry. Sure. Give me a vase with a deep red flower like my love for you. Okay. Sure, my guy. Deep red, right? We don't have deep red, but we could order it for you. Boop, boopity boopity. All right. Deep red. Boop. Just one, right? I think that's right. I think that's right. Here you go. She's just pretty as you. Come on, give me your number and I'll talk you out to breakfast tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow, princess. That's always the strat for women, I think, right? Give the fake number if you're not interested, right? Or just ignore. Ugh, blue shirt. You must be safe. Strange. I thought it's usually just one jump scare. But it's continuing. Greetings! Are you from around here? Yes, I moved here a year ago. Ah, I live all my life in this town. Do you know about the curse? The curse? What curse? Some people say there was a monster that killed half of the people in town 30 years ago. Some them say it will return. Nice tale. What are you going to order, sir? Anyways, give me 2 calathea plants and a vase with 3 white flowers. Just remember that 3 white flowers. 3 white flowers. Okay, what's the other one? 2, right? 2. Boom, 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 pam, pow. Yep. Poison ivy flowers. Let's put it there. There you go, sir. Soil. Plant. Thing. Bam. There we go. And there we go. Thanks. By the way, can I use the bathroom? Sure. Okay, this is usually the time where he either gets ketchup or it just ends. We don't know. Or we check on him and he's ketchup. Okay, thank you. By the way, about the monster. Bah, I'll tell you next time. Bye. Which is gonna be when it's a full release. Alright. Monitor's fine. Do I even see anything here? Hello! 2 sansevierias and 2 vases with 1 white flower. Now. Okay. What was it? 2 vases with 1 white flower. Okay. One. Let me just do the quickie one, the easy one. There we go. Put it there. White flower. Kaboom. Oh. What do you want again? Sassiperia. What is that? No, that's not it. Maybe I have to order it. There he is. Alright. I like it. It's just not like, you know, you have to unlock it with some other games. You just buy it. You know. Alright. You wanted 2, right? That's what the plant's called? Okay. I always see those in offices. I never knew what the name is. There you are, sir. ... Let me guess. I'm gonna check on the guy in the bathroom, huh? And he's gonna get ketchup. That's it for today. I'm gonna close the shop and call it a day. Dirt stain clean. Alright. Let me guess we... Don't forget about the guy. Excuse me, sir. Okay. So this developer's a jokester. Okay. Okay. I swear, when I reach maybe 3 or 4, everything's gonna go mayhem, isn't it? Ah. Okay, we're good. Leave the broom and go the car and your day. But the guy in the bath? Are we not got... Okay. Oh! Language. You scared the shit out of me. I'm sorry. Today, it's my son's birthday. Can I go in? Okay, but I'm about to close. Make it quick. No, we're closed. Please. I just want to get a gift for my son. Sigh. I guess it's fine. Come in. Thank you. Whatever. Well, hurry up. Man. Leave the broom. Well, you're not gonna come in? Or do I just give him something? Okay. Okay. You know, my son also loved to take care of plants. That's why every year I bought him a plant for this birthday, even after what happened. Please give me Kofi a plant. It was his favorite plant and glass of water for me. Well, we don't have a glass, but we have a vase. Can I order? Can I order? Nope. Looks like you're just getting a vase. There you go. You drink from the vase. Soil. What was it? Filthy, alright. Yeah. There we go. Wham. Here you go. Thanks. You remind me of my son. My character's a woman. What did you just say? Eh? Oh, I think I drunk too much. Excuse me. Here's a gratuity for being so quick. Alright. I guess that's it, huh? Can I leave? Can I leave? I'm gonna leave. Okay. I can't leave. Hello. Okay.
A desert of silence, not a thought.
Okay. Anywho, time for me to leave, and nothing's gonna happen. Door. Demo ends, right? Interlude. It's the guy. Oh. Made by Tori. Huh. Some 3D assets by I'm not gonna say that. Okay. I actually like that demo. It was good amount of scares, random amount of fun. I guess. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're gonna add more since it's just demo 0.1. So I'll be waiting for the full release if it ever comes out. Because some of these demos sometimes it just takes some while to come out. Well, I don't really blame them because you know it's an indie game. And always support your indie developers. They always have these really good games sometimes, you know, coming out. Some of these I played like, oh, worth the money that they're making. So anyways, wait for the full release. And thank you for watching. If you stayed and watch all of my videos, I love you. Thank you very much. You know, like and subscribe and all that. And I'm gonna go now because I need to go to the bathroom. Bye-bye.